No, I'm very happy for the club and for the players because you were there. We invested a lot in the physics. So it started already last week in Varasdin, where we were fitter than the opponent. So we had a late equalizer, but totally deserved. There already that point gave the team a kind of lift. Now, and then it's the case to have against a very good opponent, also today, Ruders, who played a test game against Osijek, to take the 3 points in our own house. Now, we did. I'm happy for the club, happy for the players. I want to play more offensive, but the big luck was we have not the strikers who scored, but Sanat scored, but 2 goals from Wingo. So if the strikers don't have the production, defenders can score, which was a big light point. It was very tricky by the 3-2, and the left back Tomasuk escaped, and the 3-2 gave us a little bit problems to not concede on the end. But I'm very happy with on the right moment the 3 points.
You said that you want to play more offensive type of football.
Yeah.
What did you change for today's game that it wasn't there last week against Varasdin?
Now we play with wingers. We play 4-3-3, our classic. Sanat in his strength, Hodja in his strength. Last week Hodja had a fantastic second half with a typical number 9 and Miok, typical number 10. But at the moment, one of the center defenders from the opponent was free. If it was Matic or Camara, they can play football. So every free defender who can come in the midfield is very dangerous. You saw it last week in Varasdin. Now then we changed in the diamond that you have 2 strikers. But today we couldn't because they had a number 6 in front. So every time Miok and Dylan played 3 against 2. Now that's the level in Croatia. They're all good players on the ball. That's what I admire. And from there, you get a little bit pushed back. If you would press higher, we would give spaces away, like in Osijek, and we don't want that. So it's always a choice what you must make. But in Croatia, every game will be like this. Sorry?
In the first half, Lacic, number 10, had some through balls through the middle, and also he ran with the ball through the middle maybe 2 or 3 times, and then kind of that went away in the second half. Was that something that you talked about in halftime, or was it something that your players realized themselves in the second half?
Now, normally they played very offensive with Lazarov and Latkovic on the 10th position and Masala and Ode on the wing. So in fact they played with 5 attackers. And the task for Glevnak and from Michael Akbakporn is to stop their opponent. So in fact you couple. It's also the class of the players from Ruders because they're very creative. Don't forget it. But the task in fact is for Michael and Glevnak to couple. It's man orientation. Now, 1 minute before halftime they escaped. 1 minute before. That's our mistake. We still not. We don't have enough leadership against the ball that we coach each other with 1-2 words, and it is punished off in Croatia from the first game from Osijek last week. So again, a lot of creativity in the league, and that means that we have to grow in defensive leadership. And the second half, I think, okay, we spoke it on in halftime, but maybe they were also a little bit tired, like last week against Osijek.
Final question: set pieces, Necimota's 2 goals. Was that something that also in preparation for this match you talked about their goalkeeper? Maybe he likes to stay on the line, doesn't want to come out on the long balls.
We trained that, yeah. So the pressing style I want to play, high pressing, 2 against 1, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, it takes time. In Red Bull it took 8 years in Leipzig. So that is also a kind of time what it costs. Sometimes it comes back. But to train system chances in the air, balls in the back, the 1 against 1 from Hodja, that we trained. And sometimes what you train from the first day in the training camp comes out on the moment you don't expect. Please.
Coach, one last question. Your first game in front of home crowd.
Yeah.
How was the feeling?
Yeah, look, we felt sorry for the home crowd from the 6-1. So we have a lot of responsibility feeling. And then there's this extra hope giving for them that not everything was true. The 6-1 was a little bit not to mirror what I said. how we worked, and that you could see the last 50 minutes in Varaždin, and today with the goals, what your colleague said, on the right moment.